In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your own website only using Google Sites totally for free. Welcome back guys to this new video with TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use Google Sites to create a website in 2024. So Google Sites, what exactly is? This is a powerful free tool that allows you to build a professional looking website with easy. So let's dive right in. The very first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to get started with Google Sites. So start by navigating to the Google Sites section. Into the upper side, open a new tab, go for site.google.com, or into the Google Finder, just go for Sites. And you might be seeing that you have now the Google Sites. Once you have located Google Sites, it's going to be really important to sign already with a Gmail account, so you might be having now access directly into Google Sites. So now that I'm inside Google Sites or G Sites, what you want to do is to choose a template. Now Google Sites provides a variety of templates to choose from, making it easier to get started. If I click into the template gallery, I can browse through the available templates and select one that fits my website purpose. So templates are fully customizable. Templates of course allow you to tailor them to your needs. So you don't have to worry about the name that appears here. You just have to focus into what are the actual results that appears into this website. And you kind of like what you're seeing here, then what you can do is you just click enter and automatically the template should be imported into your account of Google Sites. Now it's time to customize my site. To customize my site by adding my own content, we want to click into different sections to edit the text, upload images, and import videos. Let's use the right hand panel to add new elements. You have text boxes, images, and beams, content blocks, collapsible groups, table of contents, carousel buttons, and so much more elements. Now here, what I need to do of course is just to fill the information of course into my store. Let's assume for example that I have an actual service experience for our channel of TechExpress. So if I double click here, I'm going to type TechExpress and try to add a subtitle, for example the best tutorials in YouTube. And now as you can see, we have this huge header. This is an actual image. What I wanted to do is to go here into image and go for select. If you wanted to change for an actual image that appears into Google, let's say for example that I typed here into Google Images and I go for video editing, and I have tons of images that I can use totally for free. So for that I'm going to be using, let's say, something really great. For example this one, it doesn't look that bad. Now into the upper side you have the enter the site of your name, or you can add your own logo. So if I go and upload my custom logo, make sure that your logo has no background, and of course it's a little bit higher so you don't have any issues there when you import your logo. You can use exactly the same logo to add it into your favicon. The favicon appears into the upper side. It's this actual symbol of your actual website. So what I can totally suggest to you is to use exactly the same logo that you're using on the upper side of the logo. Now that you're here into the settings, what you can do is to try to change the navigation bar if you wanted to. For example, I can change the top menu mode or for the side. That's really depending on how you'd like to get started. And the color should be transparent, white, or choose the one that best suits for yourself. Let's go for white to make this much more interesting. And now I have the beer with toast. Custom domains, if you wanted to remember with a custom domain later on, of course this one might be something later. Analytics and the announcement bar. I'm going to close this and I'm going to start to customize my store or my website. In this case, it needs to speak with a specific stylist. If you have something that you don't want to see, this section for example, here into the left how you have the elements of the section colors, duplicate and delete. I'm going to delete this section and focus now into the elements that I do want to see, a full service experience. So let's say for example, what kind of videos do we offer? And here into hairstyling, let's say that I go for project management. Here I go for online store, and here I go for marketing or social media marketing. Now if you wanted to change any specific text, you can do it here into this bar, but if you wanted to change it to the whole section of your store or your website, focus into themes. The themes are going to be helping you to customize the whole store, the whole website, so you can create one totally for free. Here I'm going to name TechExpress. You can add your custom logo if you wanted to. Of course you can go for select with the one that we have just recently added and hit now into next. Here I have the preset colors. For example, let's say that I go for these 3 of them. Next, and choose a title that can be alignable with what I'm choosing. For example, for title, let's go for comfortable, and here for go for light. Create my theme, and automatically all of that should be applied directly into my website, and you don't have to focus a lot into changing one by one element. Now, another thing that you can do is to add in page and navigation. Into the right pod, instead of themes, go for pages. So as you can see, we have some home, services, about, testimonials, and contact. If you want to delete something, let's go here for the three dots and go for delete. So I have now home, services, about, and contact. So I can of course change this element if I wanted to. For example, here I select my services and let's go for tutorials. About, let's go about us. And contact, let's go for contact us. And there we go. So lastly, what you need to do is to customize all the stuff as you're just getting started. After you fill customizing all of those stuff into the upper side, go for publish when you're ready to create your website. In this case, let's go for Tech Express Video Services. So if you're okay with it, if this one appears as a check mark, that means that we're allowed to have this free URL domain. So I go for published, and my website should be created in no time. So this is just a basic way of how we can actually create an actual website with Google Sites. There's a lot of things to cover into this tutorial, but this is just a basic way, once again, as I just told you, to create your own website, whether that will be for portfolio or whatever. So guys, with that being said, I have reached the very end of the video, so make sure that you can keep your site up to date by regularly adding new content, making new updates, access your site anytime through Google Sites to edit and manage your content, guys. So thank you once again for watching the video. We hope you find these steps helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching TechExpress, your partner in digital innovation, guys. See you next time.